In the 18th century, Christopher Columbus discovered chili pepper in both Central America and South America, and together with his fellow explorers, they spread it around the world.
So why are chilies spicy? Chilies are spicy due to the presence of a family compound called capsaicinoids. However, the dominant compound would be capsaicin.
Capsaicin is a model that binds specifically to a class of receptors that are called transient receptor potential vanilloid, known as TRPV. These receptors can be found in the mucous membrane of the mouth. This causes a burning sensation in the mouth when chili peppers are ingested. This change of potential will be transmitted through the nerve to the central nervous system and then to the brain. This causes the swelling, pain, and other sensations. The brain receives the message to send out the body's fire squad to remove the hot substances.
This results in teary eyes, runny nose, increased circulation, and also allows us to have a cooling sensation. Finally, the pains causes the release of endorphins, which acts as a natural painkiller and flood consumers with happy feelings.
When your tongue burns from eating spicy food, you'll find that drinking water gives you little to no relief. Instead, what you should reach for is a glass of milk. Why? Let me explain. Compound capsaicin has a long hydrocarbon tail, which in turn causes the compound to be non-polar. However, water molecule is polar, and therefore it cannot interact with capsaicin. However, milk contains a protein called casein. It is a lipophilic protein which will bind to capsaicin and washes it from the mouth, much like how soap removes grease from dirty dishes.
There are two methods to measure the level of spiciness. The first one would be Scoville scale. Invented by Wilbur Scoville in 1912, the Scoville organoleptic test is used to determine the spiciness of different types of chili pepper. An exact weight of dried chili pepper is dissolved in alcohol to extract capsaicinoids, then diluted in sugar solution. The solution will be diluted to a point where at least 3 trained food testers is unable to test the heat level. However, one of the disadvantages is due to human subjectivity, where different tester has different heat receptors in the mouth and thus the results varies. The number of Scoville heat unit is determined by the amount of capsaicin in the food. Ghost pepper has a SHU of 1 million, while bell pepper has a SHU of 0. The second method is to use high-pressure liquid chromatography, where it is used to measure the amount of capsaicinoids in the chili pepper itself. The higher the amount of capsaicinoids, the spicier the chili pepper is. The method must be calibrated by a human taster to convert the measured amounts of capsaicinoids into Scoville units, as no machine can actually measure the sensation of taste. Now you know the chemistry behind the spiciness of chili pepper. Why not try eating chili pepper and drinking milk at the same time and see what you get?